YouTube, we're back in the shop today, and today we're going to start working on the smoker again. I've got a little helper. There's a little helper. We're going to put the stack on with 6010 Hobart 6010 1/8 inch. There it is. So the gap was too big to fill with 6010. I went ahead and took a flux core pass, gasless flux core all the way around, and then I did a cover pass on it. And here's the mechanism for the stack, airflow. That's also flux core. And then I cut the ring off the bottom here. Cut a big hole in this thing, and I'm trying to finish this up with flux core, gasless flux core again. You can see inside the white propane tank still hasn't been touched, besides being, you know, welded to. So I'm going to cut into here to get my flow for the heat and the smoke, and we're going to do some uphill flux core. So we're welding with the Mighty ESOB here, 162 18.7. A lot of the time welding information is circumstance based. A lot of this stuff is circumstance based. So I've got a really good fit up on this guy. Same gasless flux core we did on the galvanized. Figure I'll use up the spool. And all I'm doing is side pause, side pause, side pause, side pause, and just going over across the center. Side pause, and that's how I'm doing the uphill. Circumstantial, your settings might be different. Your weave pattern might be a little different as well. Your lead angle and all that stuff changes. There you have it, uphill, gasless flux core. The only thing I have to weld still is the bottom of this thing. From here to about the same point on the other side. I filled this tank full of water and got all of the gas out of it. I'm still a little leery about cutting into it. Obviously, do this at your own risk. Okay, YouTube, there it is. The only change I made was I put a baffle on the tanks where the two come together and the hole was cut, just to try to get the smoke through. Questions, comments, give me a thumbs up, subscribe. Thanks for watching.